We are here, we are here, we are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up CACC. We are on the monthly time frame. Price action, last candle to the right hand side is a bullish green candle. We do have price action overall, higher highs. Price action overall, lower lows. Midpoint. Also adding second level highs. And third level highs. So price action current candle is a bullish green candle, long wick down to that bottom, just created some wick up to that top. That wick down to that bottom of that price action has tagged that area for a retest, so it's a pattern that's in that area with the overall pattern. So price action current price is sitting at 510.85, so the market pushes up further with the next following candle, or this candle creates more momentum. Market can head back to numbers of 520. The next area it can head up to after that is near 577.96. And before making it to 577, it can head to the numbers of 548.79. So if price decides to just draw back just for a bit of a retest or a side-by-side candle, market can head to that midpoint of that price action candle, or the top, or near the top of that second last candle wick, nearing the numbers of 486.47. So there's a lot of patterns inside patterns. So we do know that price actions is above second level highs. Market created a W at that break of, after the break of the overall midpoint. So the market broke, came back to return, identified a pattern of that overall first, second, third, fourth retest. Market pushed up once. So we have a double bottom and a retest market's coming from. Market reached the top of that highest high overall structure, came back for a retest to the previous side of that double bottom and a retest. So it's a pattern that should be identifying itself to see if that market's going to push up, consolidate sideways, or work its way down further. So near price, we do have a pattern. So it's patterns inside patterns. The second pattern that we can identify, that market did create that decline W. It can work that market up for that first, second, third. And if price action is still bullish when the following bullish green candle, or this candle still have momentum to push up, we'll see that break of that midpoint. Then we're looking for a retest or retest candle to identify the double bottom and a retest to see if that market is going to push up to the next level. If not, the market's working its way down from breaking retest for previous levels at the level. So market has reached a high. So we have a single top here. So market identified a single top, came down with a double top, pushed down to the next level, identified a break and retest. And if that market doesn't break that midpoint of second level highs, market pushing down from a double top and retest, or overall single top and a double retest, and then we had a push. Headed down to the weekly time frame. Price action weekly time frame identifying as a bearish red doji. So if that market's retesting on that SR line, so it's near that area, that zone, a little bit at the top, a little bit above. We'll break that structure down as we walk down further. Price action is a retest. Second last candle spiked up. Price action came back to return. If it breaks the midpoint of that candle, then market can be working its way down further. But this could just be a retest at second level highs, and within that candle that broke retesting, we're going to see that market's going to push up. Also, it's coming from a pattern at the low. Multiple spike downs on here is identifying as a single bottom, a double bottom, first, second, third, fourth, and a retest. Well, as we walk down, it may identify as a triple bottom and a retest. Or that market can't consolidate, and if it pushes down further, market coming from multiple touches to that top overall, first, second, third, fourth, double top, retest. If it doesn't break, market's coming down from a double top and retest. Headed down to the daily time frame, price action on the daily. So price action, bearish red candle, second last candle, bearish red candle as well. Price action, bearish red doji, second last candle, bearish red candle, push down to the bottom. So that's a retest. And then a price action to push. So we have a push to that resistance, retest, hanging out at the midpoint of that area. So it could create that double bottom that we can find in that area for that market to push up, or it'll just identify as a break, retest, and market's coming down. Or it can consolidate sideways. So we are in that consolidation. Price second is in within the third to last candle, headed down to the 4-hour time frame. So 4-hour time frame, we know that the fourth to last candle spiked that high of that resistance. So we go a little bit above, tag that zone to a little bit below, and we can find out where price is at. So price is hanging out below that zone. So we did receive, markets also again very choppy. Market spiked up, came back to retest below that zone, retesting the zone. So if it can follow up with the bearish red candle, if so, that's a double top. That's going to form that pattern. If not, it will just break, retest. So there's an area of support here, and is respective of the price action to engulf the second last candle for the upside. We'll see that market create that third leg. So first, second, and we're looking for a retest to see if that double bottom can form in that area for the breakout of that zone. Everything we walk down the time frame is going to be consolidation until if it's identified a direction of a pattern from the resistance and support touches. But so far we have a break into the zone, retest, bottom of that zone, retest the bottom, break and retest. Same as a 4-hour time frame, headed down to the 2, same as well, break. Broke out of the zone, retest the zone multiple times in that area, still consolidation. Headed down to the 1-hour time frame. Now we start to see a pattern form. It looks more like a W for the support, but still identified as overall. It's coming from the resistance. It's a break, a retest twice, and it can still push down if you receive a bearish red candle. If not, you'll see that incline W form for that first, second, third, fourth, and we're looking for price action to get back into that zone, and then looking for the retest near that zone. Same as a 45-minute time frame. So this would be the midpoint of that area. The top of that zone is that resistance, and we're looking for price to enter that zone. Headed down to the 30-minute time frame, you can see it clear out the W, spotted, second, third, fourth, retest, market pushed, tag the zone of resistance. Headed down to the 15, same as well, same candle, same as 5-minute time frame, identifying a retest. So in that 5-minute time frame, price action spiked up resistance, just came back to a retest, still got enough momentum to push up, so we'll identify a break and retest as we walk down the time frame or later on. 3-minute time frame, bullish green candle engulfing the previous side, showing that it has momentum to still push up. Headed down to the 1, same as well, still see that incline, kind of slight wedge pattern, so we're looking for that price action break out that midpoint area. Okay guys, very important information. Please study and review. Forex pattern cheat sheet, breakout retest strategy. Click on the images. Okay guys, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your attention. CACC stock.